Well, good morning, everybody. 24-hour temperature cast starts us warm, keeps us warm, and does it all over again tomorrow. Most in the 60s this morning. Likely going to see a lot of temperatures, middle and upper 70s this afternoon, especially if we can get a little bit of maybe filtered sunshine today. And then I think with a lot of clouds sticking around tonight, we keep it way up in the 60s again. We'll continue to check the radar. I think we can get a couple of sprinkles today. While our rain chances are not going to be zero, they're not going to be real good. The best chances to get wet are still way off to the north. That's where they're staying. And I'm talking Birmingham, Atlanta north. So not like just north of here, a good couple of 100 miles north of here. But in the warm, humid air out ahead of that stuck boundary, we certainly could find a couple of scattered showers. And that's probably the most we can hope for on our Tuesday. It's 64 this morning in Valdosta, 59 in Thomasville, 58 degrees in Tallahassee. Now, it's not as breezy as it was yesterday. It's not going to be as breezy as it was. So we'll look for some patchy fog this morning. I think we'll find some more tomorrow morning, too. How about 67 to get started in Bainbridge, 69 at Mariana. These would be normal daytime highs for this time of the year. We're at 67 in Perry, 66 in Live Oak this morning. That breeze from the south continuing to bring in that warmer air. Couple of spots, visibility less than 5 miles, but we're not talking any widespread dense fog. Now, all the precipitation to our north and west stays there. There is much cooler air up into the Ohio Valley where they're getting snow. I don't see enough cold air coming down this way, and certainly not enough moisture coming down this way for anything changing for us. But maybe by Friday, when this whole boundary setup finally gets moving, we can at least clear up, dry up, and cool off a little bit and feel a little bit more February-ish. For today, for tomorrow, it's going to be warm with those daytime highs, even with all that cloud cover, climbing way up through the 70s. Now, this next boundary, this is what hopefully brings with it some shower chances to our area. Need to get some rain about once a week this time of year to help out those thirsty lawns, gardens, greens, and to help set everything up for springtime. I think our chances to get wet will increase a little bit tomorrow night and Thursday, but I'm not expecting any kind of significant soaking or any kind of large outbreak of big thunderstorms. It's a different setup than we had last week. Winds on the Gulf today, south and southeast 8 to 16, so a little breezy for the boaters. Doing the low tides first this morning after 9:30. 50s and 60s quickly become 70s, and that's where they'll stay for most of us today. Wouldn't shock me at all if we get a little sustained filtered sunshine to see a few spots flirt with 80 the next couple of afternoons. Low 60s again tonight. Sun sets 6:22. It's going to stay a little muggy and a little bit warm, I think, all the way into Thursday. The unsettled changes to maybe a little better shot to get wet Thursday, but it's not an all-day soaker. Friday, cooler for Valentine's Day. Not as cold as last Friday or Friday night, but certainly a little cooler than most days this week.